Welcome back, everybody. Today, I'm going to teach you how to put American Airlines flights on hold. This is a really useful feature that allows you to reserve your flights without paying immediately, giving you time to finalize your travel plans or check with companions before committing to the booking. American Airlines offers what's called a 24-hour hold option on select flights. This lets you hold your trip completely free for up to 24 hours, but there's one important condition: you need to book at least 7 days before your departure date. So if you're planning ahead, this feature can be incredibly helpful for securing your preferred flight times while you make your final decision. Let's walk through how to use this feature. Start by browsing and selecting your flights as you normally would on the American Airlines website. Once you've chosen your flights and moved through the booking process, you'll arrive at the Review and Pay page. This is where the magic happens. Look for the option that says Hold for 24 hours and select it instead of proceeding directly to payment. This will reserve your flights without charging your card right away. Now, here's something important to keep in mind. If you're planning to use travel credits or seat coupons for this booking, you'll need to reapply them when you come back to complete your payment. The system doesn't save these during the hold period, so make a note to add them again when you return. After you've placed your trip on hold, check your email for a confirmation. This email will contain all the details about your held reservation. You can also visit the Your Trip section on the American Airlines website at any time to view your held booking and complete the payment process when you're ready. Be aware that your trip will cancel automatically if you don't finish booking within that 24-hour window. The system doesn't send reminders, so it's up to you to return and complete the purchase before time runs out. One more thing to note: if you added trip insurance during your initial selection, it won't be saved during the hold period. You'll have the option to add insurance again when you return to pay, but keep in mind that the price may have changed in the meantime. Finally, American Airlines has a policy that limits you to holding only one trip per destination and time frame. If you try to hold duplicate trips for the same route and dates, they'll automatically cancel any duplicates to prevent abuse of the system, and that's all there is to it. You've now learned how to hold your American Airlines flights, giving yourself breathing room to make the right travel decision. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.